Hi, this is Josh Mettle with Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation. Today I want to talk to you just a little bit about why resident physicians seem to struggle the most with mortgage financing and why I think they're the highest at risk. And so there's just a few simple steps that you can take to protect yourself, but first you need to know what those risks are. The first risk that we see with mortgage underwriting for a resident physician is many times they haven't filed tax returns for the last couple of years. So because they've gone through medical school and there's very little income, if any, to report. So the fact that you have very little history, if any, earning income can create a risk factor for a lot of banks out there. Now the other reason is because most clients that we work with are relocating across the country, oftentimes with their families, and they don't want to start their job, get a paycheck stub, and then go out and find a home. They want to move in, get settled, and then start their job. Now the devil's in the details when it comes to underwriting employment contracts, and no two employment contracts are the same. So it's very important that if you're going to be closing based on a future income like an employment contract, that you have that reviewed not only by the loan officer, but by the mortgage underwriter, and they give you their stamp of approval saying that they're going to be able to take that source of income. And the third issue that we see residents face, of course, is student loans. And I can't tell you how often we receive clients that have been pre-approved and then later find out that they're not able to qualify for financing because the loan officer has misjudged how their company looks at student loans. So it's important that you make sure if you have student loans, you're dealing with a company that works heavily with physicians. And I always encourage clients to have those documents reviewed by an underwriter, not just the loan officer, so you know for sure you're not going to have any problems with getting financing. If you have any additional questions, we're here and we'd absolutely love to hear from you.